Hello and welcome to, or welcome back to, the channel of the Nasdaq scalping bot. In this channel, I show you guys the progress I make or don't make with a bot, a Python program bot, my first Python program. And the meaning of this bot is to make some automatic trading on the Nasdaq to generate some passive income. And in the daily update, I give you a report about what I did change in the code and how the bot functions and how we did on the market. So let's see what it was for today. And today, I'm gonna tell you that there is nothing to report again. I can't help it. But yesterday and Monday, we all suspected it. It is a slow market, maybe slow market week, but nothing really happened today on the market. But I did make some changes in the code. Some very minor changes in the code. So let's take a look at the code. And if we look at the code, I get the contracts. I have done something that is counterintuitive. This is not the way it should be, but I changed this and this in the opposite direction, as in for a buy, the MACD line should be smaller than the signal line, and for a sell, the MACD line should be larger than the signal line. And this is not the way it should be. It should be the other way around. So you wonder, John, why did you do this? This is not the way it should be. I know. At this testing, I know. But what I saw today was something special. Not special, but something I'm wondering about. And let's take a look at the bot. And if we look at the bot, you see that I take notice of the MACD line and the signal line, and I always see those numbers, and I know when the buy and the sell should be when the MACD line and the signal line are in the right numbers. But today I was wondering, because we had a reasonable normal market at a certain point, at 7 or at 8, let's take the market with it. You see, we had a market right here. This was nothing, not for the bot, nothing at all. But right here, we had a point that we're going down a long way and going back up again for a long way. And the bot didn't pick this up. And why? Well, because of the MACD. So I think let's turn those two around, because it looks like that the bot does not do this in the right way. And I don't know if it's the code. I don't know for sure, but it looks like something is wrong. And the only thing I can figure this out is when doing something absurd like this. It's not the way it should be. But if the bot reacts, hopefully tomorrow, with a smaller like down and up like this, then I have to take a good scratch behind the ears, because then I want to know where is the failure. Where did I make a mistake in the coding that the bot did not create, or did create the right values, but that the values are somehow not correct interpreted. I don't know. The only thing I can do is test and try it. And when we look at the bot, you see the market now is again slow. Market is closed, but it was slow. But at the normal conditions, at a certain point, at 6, it gave me normal conditions, and it didn't do. So I want to see if it's really a problem with the numbers, or that I'm just getting crazy of boredom because there's nothing else that the bot has to do. But I wonder. I just wonder if this could be a problem. The market was normal and the bot did not react. And that struck me like something odd. So let's take a look, hopefully tomorrow or maybe Friday, when there's again a normal market, then we will see how the numbers are, the MACD and the signal line, and then I can see if I'm correct with the numbers, or if I'm correct with the numbers, then where is the failure in the program? Then I have to do some research in the weekend. So I restarted the bot again, while at the back you see a refresh of the browser, because there's a lot of refreshing going on, not from Chrome, but from the provider, not from Chrome, but from capital.self. So I saw 3, 4, 5 times already a new screen appearing. And if we look at the refreshed screen, let's take away the bot, then you actually see that we had some nice going down and ups, but the bot did not pick it up because of the MACD. Yeah, so let's see. Back to the bot. Well, nothing else. The bot did what it should do. No errors. And I restarted the bot at 7:30. And then we can go on to the reports of the market. And then you see that there is nothing going on since January 3rd, last week. And I did not open any positions. Not I, but the bot didn't open any positions because of the slow market. So nothing to report there either. Which brings us, after 10 minutes, to the end of the daily report. And if you like it, press like. And if you want to see more, and if you want to keep informed about how the bot functions and how we're doing, then subscribe. That would be nice too. And if you want to leave a comment, feel free to leave a comment. I'm curious about what you guys think about this project and what I'm doing and how I'm doing it. So give me the feedback. It's good by a comment. Do you really want to talk to me about the bot or about the market? Then there is a Discord server. I leave a link in the description. And from next week, when there is actual something to show on the bot, then there is a live stream again in the Twitch. So you need the Twitch link also in the description, and refresh again in the description. And if you want to support me, it's possible. There is a Patreon account also in the description, but I don't expect anyone to actually support me in this endeavor of becoming a better in this endeavor. And again, a refresh. Whoa, what's going on? In my endeavor to create a bot with some passive income for me and for others. That's always the goal. It's not just for me, it's for anyone who wants to join in, that we create this bot. And the last thing I say is, have a little fun every day. See you guys tomorrow.